Question. Section 28 to 44D of the Income Tax Act 1961 is related to option A. Income from house property, option B. Income from salary, option C. Income from capital gain, option D. Profits and gain from business or profession. Answer. Option D. Profits and gains from business or profession. Question. As per Finance Bill 2023, the basic exemption limit under the new regime is option A 2,50,000, option B 3 lakh, option C 5 lakh, option D 7 lakh. Answer. Option B 3 lakh. Question. Which among the following is a progressive tax? Options A. Customs duty, option B. Development surcharge, option C. Sales tax, option D. Income tax. Answer. Option D. Income tax. Question. Identify the indirect taxes from the given options. Option A. GST corporate tax, option B. Custom duty corporate tax, option C. Income tax GST, option D. GST custom duty. Answer. Option D. GST custom duty. Question. Which of the following terminology are not related to income tax? Option A. Tax deduction and collection account number TAN. Option B. Leave travel allowance LTA. Option C. Dearness allowance DA. Option D. Taxpayer identification number TIN. Answer. Option D. Taxpayer identification number TIN. Question. In the Income Tax Act, there is a certificate which an employer gives to his employees. It certifies the amount of tax deducted by the employer from the salary of the employee. Answer. Option A. Form 16, option B. Form 12, option C. Form 15, option D. Form 26 AS. Answer. Option A. Form 16. Question. Section 80E of the Income Tax Act provides for deduction of interest paid on education or study loan taken for higher education. Deduction under Section 80E is available for dash. Options. Option A 2 years, option B 4 years, option C 8 years, option D 10 years. Answer. Option C 8 years.